Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're signed in to both Teams and Outlook. This links calendars and enables meeting controls. Next, open Outlook Calendar and choose New Meeting. Don't pick New Email. Once done, locate the Teams Meeting toggle or the Teams Meeting button on the ribbon and enable it. This inserts the Teams link automatically. Make sure your default calendar is the account you want, because Teams links follow that account and prevent guest access issues later. Now you fill in the how and who, type a specific meeting title, set date, start and end times, and confirm the time zone so attendees join at the right moment. Add required and optional attendees, then use the scheduling assistant to resolve conflicts quickly. Once attendees are set, choose recurrence if needed, set a reminder, and click meeting options in the Teams link to configure lobby and presenter settings. This ensures the right people bypass the lobby, and finish by reviewing the Teams link, attach an agenda or files, then click send. Attendees receive the invite with the join link. When it's time, join from the Outlook meeting entry or the Teams app. Test your mic and camera in the pre-join screen to avoid delays. If the Teams meeting button is missing, make sure the Microsoft Teams add-in is enabled in Outlook settings or restart Outlook. Often a sign-in mismatch causes it, so verify account credentials and relaunch both apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.